I am. Jeremy, here, let Grandma hold him.
No. No.
You guys quit teasing her. Jeremy.
Jeremy, show Grandma how nice it'll be. Look at, show Grandma how nice it'll be to put in her sweater sleeve. Just show her.
No.
No, on her sweater sleeve. That'd be good.
Watch this. Come on, Daddy.
Yeah, let me get.
Does Grandpa like to hold him?
No.
Put your hands out. Put your hands out.
No.
Put them right on her neck then if you don't put them.
Take him.
No.
I don't like him.
Don't pinch him.
I'll pinch him if you don't take him.
Don't pinch him or you.
Open your mouth.
Don't do that to the poor animal.
Here, cup your hand. Jeremy, show him how to cup your hand. Cup your hand up. Your hands up, Grandpa. Let him sit in the middle. Is he poking around yet? Jeremy, you're winding in front.
Oh! He's biting. He's gnawing on my hand.
Gee whiz.
The babies don't bite.
Well, this one does.
That's not a baby.
Even Jeremy don't like to hold that one around.